In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zotero and LibreOffice Writer plugin issues. If your citation buttons are missing, not responding, or you're seeing integration errors, this quick refresh usually clears things up by reinstalling the word processor integration and resetting the browser connector. Start by opening Zotero on your computer. With Zotero in front, go to the menu bar at the top and click Edit. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the place where Zotero's preferences live, including everything related to citation styles and word processor integration. In the Settings window, select the Citate tab. This is where Zotero manages its links to word processors and the tools that place the citation toolbar into your documents. Look for the section that handles word processor add-ins. Choose the option to reinstall Microsoft Word add-in. If you use LibreOffice Writer, this is the same area where the LibreOffice add-in appears. On many systems, you'll see a similar reinstall button for it. Reinstalling here doesn't change your library or styles. It simply repairs the small helper that connects Zotero to your word processor. If a prompt asks you to close your word processor first, save your work and let it complete. When it finishes, you should get a confirmation that the add-in was reinstalled. Next, head to your web browser to refresh the Zotero connector, which helps capture references and communicates with the desktop app. In your browser, click the puzzle-shaped icon in the top right to view your extensions. Choose Manage Extensions. Find the Zotero connector in the list, click Remove, and Confirm. Then install it again from your browser's extension store or the official Zotero download page. After reinstalling, it's helpful to pin the connector so you can see the icon easily and confirm it's active. Make sure Zotero Desktop is open when you're using the connector so the two can talk to each other. At this point, the integration and the connector have both been refreshed. Open your word processor and check for the Zotero toolbar or menu. In LibreOffice Writer, it typically appears under the Add-ons or a Zotero menu. In Word, it's usually a Zotero tab or toolbar. If it doesn't appear right away, close and reopen the word processor and ensure Zotero is running in the background. That's it. By reinstalling the add-in from Zotero's Citate settings and then removing and reinstalling the browser connector, you've addressed the most common causes of plugin and communication issues without changing your library or citations.